Good morning, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. So let's go straight to our daily analysis, guys. Today is Thursday. Uh, I hope everyone is having a very great week, as I'm having a great one. Even though that NASDAQ and US30 they just going all over the place, but you know what? We have to have a great day. We don't have to just react to the market the way it's doing. We have to have life. So, guys, for those who maybe still maybe struggle with account funding, like maybe you will still play around with $10, $60, $100, $200, which is too small to sustain you because you can't take out the profit because those accounts that are too small. I have something for you from Traders Central. So where can you join? In my description, you will find something. So let me show you how. You're going to do something like this. This video is not sponsored, guys. It's not sponsored. I'm just showing you how. So under my video, let me just resize this. And this is the video that I have done yesterday. So if you check here, you can see this is my name is Xtrahot Forex. You can see there is show more here. Before you even go further, this is the first thing that you will see. You can see here, click that link, then that link is going to help you when you do the registration and the other thing. Please, guys, just use the link below. Even on this video that I'm doing now, you're still going to get that. So you can see for you to get 5,000, obviously you have to have like 189. You have to fund with 189, then they will give you 5,000, which is great, I think. And yeah, without wasting your time, let's go straight to our daily analysis. Please, guys, you can just use the link in the email as a referral. You will see that it's quite easy. So now we are on US oil, guys. What do we see on US oil? Oil is actually pushing to the upside. Unfortunately, I saw this one kind of late. I just saw it now because you know what, I'm busy. I just do so many things at once. So what I see is the market came again respect this area. Do you see that? The market broke this resistance that we had before, because around this area we also had some sort of a resistance. Then the market is giving us another push. Then this is a resistance again. Then there is a possibility that the market might push to the upside. Easy as that. So let's try to see what's really happening here. We need to see. Let me just use daily time frame because 4-hour time frame won't show us whatever that we want to see. So let's try to get something around this area. You will see that around this area we had something. Then the market came back again and do this type of a fake breakout. You can see here the market retested from this area, pushed up. Now the market is trying to retest again, and that might be a higher low, which means it might turn from this area, push up, come back again, push up, something like that. So actually the market is just repeating whatever that was happening before. Do you see that? The market has been moving like that, so it means the market is still on that bullish momentum, and from there it's where we're going to get some nice entries. Let's use 2 hours time frame to see if maybe we can get something. Do you see what I'm trying to show you here? So the market created this resistance. Now the market broke that, and now it's coming there to respect before doing what? Pushing to the upside. Simple as that. Don't complicate things. Already the market is complicated. So let's move to gold. So on gold, it's funny, it's very nice because we already had if you still remember when I talk about, check my previous video, I talk about the resistance that we have on a bigger time frame. Do you see that? We had this resistance for some time now, and the market is respecting that. And yesterday we were here and we took a trade from there. So you can see that the market every time reaches this area, the market was just going down. Simple, because the resistance was there, and the trend line, you can just call it trend line if you want. But you can see that we did not enter exactly here. We entered like below there, you can see around this area. And once that sell pending order was triggered, the market never looked back. So actually the take profit, we took out the profit actually early in the morning. So some maybe they took it before that, but you can see that mostly when you follow your strategy, things, they will happen very nicely. The only thing that disturb us, and I see this, is not able to wait. We have problem waiting, to wait for something to reach the same area that you wanted, or to wait for confirmation. Because here we can see that the market might reach this area. Around this area, we see that this is also a support. The market might reach this area and push up again. So actually, the market is now wedging. But you might not see that maybe on a bit smaller time frame, because on a bigger time frame, you might see on a bit smaller time frame, you might see different things. But on a bigger time frame, it's quite easy. You can see the resistance, it's been there for some time, and the market has been respecting that. You can see that. So yeah, I think here we killed it. If you checked this, obviously maybe you took some nice profit. So let's go to a bit smaller time frame, like 2 hours, and try to see what's really happened. You can see the market really touched our resistance. Then after, we did not just enter here, we had some sell stop, because I had drawn something like this, and it showed me if it breaks that, we can have a very nice entry there. Then since then, the market reached this area, which is great, because we even touched the take profit. Even if I don't really like placing the take profits, I just like to trail my orders. If I have a position which is in profit, I just trail that profit until it reaches a point where the market is now maybe turning out, like it's bouncing back in a different direction. If it's a sell like this, until the market tries to push up, it's where I'm going to get out. But if that is not going to happen, I'm still going to stay in that order until I feel, oh, now the profit is enough. So where do we think this thing is going to turn? I think the market might still reach this support area before we see a bounce back. But from a bigger time frame, it shows that this resistance is very strong. We might see another breakout going to the lowest side, which is way too possible. I hope you understand that. Please check my previous videos. For you to understand everything that I'm saying here, it's better to connect. Check my previous video Monday, Wednesday, then they will all make sense, because on the ones that I do at the moment, it's just a summary. Actually, it's just a summary. So now we are on GERMAN40 or GERMAN30. So what do we see here? Remember, yesterday we had Fed interest rate, and we thought the market was going to go crazy. But even if the market did not go crazy like that, that effect is still there. We will see the market pushing to the lowest side. So on GERMAN30, we see that the market was under this bearish momentum from this area. The market pushed lower. Now the market reached this area where we can just call a support area, and the market is about to do what? To turn back to the upside. So the market obviously won't make things easy for us. The market will try to bounce back around this area so that we can just close our position as soon as possible. The market might consolidate before pushing up. But I know later today or tomorrow or next week, we're going to see the market around these areas. And guess what? You know that, oh, the market was here last week and I did not take advantage of that. Why? Because mostly we don't think for 2 weeks, we don't think for tomorrow, we think for today. We just think, oh, the market is selling off, I'm getting in a negative. You forgot that the market is on a buy zone where maybe if you can just hold your trades, you can reach there. And it's very quick, because 2 to 3 days we can reach there. even if tomorrow is Friday, but maybe Monday, Tuesday, we can reach that area. It's quite simple. Just look at how many candlesticks are here. Only 2, 3, 4. Then we will be around this area. So then after, we'll be reaching our highest high again. So what do we see for GERMAN40? I only see bullish momentum. Sorry, it's still bearish, but I expect the market to push to the upside. Even though the market used to show us something like this, you can say maybe it's a bearish, but there is way too far for now. What we can do is we can just make sure that when the market, if maybe we have some orders, if we reach this area, around this area, you can just get out or lock your profit, because there is a possibility that the market might turn here. But if the market is not going to turn around there, it means we can break this area and we can go to the upside, which is great. We want that. We want that to happen actually. So we need the market to push the upside. And I like the fact that the market already gave us something here. You can see here that is a clue, guys. It's a clue of showing us that, you know what, I can still push to the upside. Even if the market came back again here, the market is going to be way too easy for the market to push again, because the market already showed us, you know what, I'm still going to push to the right side. I mean to the upside. So let's move to the next one, which is let's see, which is US30. I hope everyone is seeing this. So on US30, guys, the market is also on a very strong bearish momentum. I want to zoom this nicely so that you can see. I don't know, let me just use one daily. So on a daily time frame, let me just clear this. This makes things to be not visible. Even if we have a buy, we see that the market was like way too strong on a bearish. Look what happened. So now the market reached this area, and now the market, it seems like it's respecting this area. So what do? We came, we zoomed in and go to a bit smaller time frame. We can even use 2 hours time frame so that we can see exactly what's really happening. So from this area, you can see, since we had this bearish momentum, obviously the market is now changing the direction, and it's showing us that we can see the market respected this area, pushed to the upside, pushed lower, went up, pushed. You see, when we connect this, now it all makes sense that, you know what, now it seems like the market is creating this bullish momentum. And I like the structure because the market is now going to the upside. If it reaches this area, you should know that you should get out, unless if the market is going to break this area, or maybe the market is going to come back again. We understand that the market is being on a sell, but after this area, you can see that the market is trying to recover. We can see the bullish momentum going down, bullish, going down, something like that. So that is a good thing. That's why I give my students something like this, where they should enter something like this, and around 3,500, they should get out there, somewhere there. You can see that. So that's how I came up with that. I think this is a very nice uptrend. Yeah, I think we're going to take that. Even if the market is going to go against us, still we have a very nice a stop loss, which is not really far. But I think this, it shows that the market is now trying to push to the upside, which is a great thing. So I hope now you're not going to look for a bearish or any sell. Only if maybe the market is going to break this support area, then is where you can say, you know what, I'm going to sell. But at the moment, I just hope everyone can just buy here. Then I hope the market is going to go to the upside, which is a great thing, guys. Which is a great thing. Don't forget that, guys, we still have that robot, which is $100. VIP signals is $20. Signal indicator or signal system for your MetaTrader 4 is still $20. You can't get this. You can't get those prices anywhere. They are very cheap, and those things are powerful. They are very, very, very powerful. I hope maybe you're going to let me know, talk to me, check my description, check my contacts, check my intro. It's where you're going to check my, you can get my contacts easily. So here we are on NASDAQ 100. On NASDAQ 100, we also have similar thing here. I think, let me just use maybe 4 hour time frame before you see what's really going on. I think maybe you can see exactly what's really going on, unless if maybe we go on a daily. But since you've seen this thing for some time now, if you checked my daily analysis, I hope now you understand. So the market has been like seriously selling off. I thought maybe the market yesterday was going to go crazy, and if it was going to go crazy, I had an area here and say if the market is breaking this area, the market is going to go to the lowest side. But the market did not break that area, so which means the market is really respecting that area. What do we do now? We just need to go to a bit smaller time frame and see what's really happening. See what's really happening. Okay, now you can see that, okay, on a bit smaller time frame, let me remove this. I did that for my student. If you see here, if you check here, you can see that we have a downtrend, which the market respected around this area. The market respected around this area, and it's yesterday. I can see that is a sort of resistance. You see that, but when you check the resistance is still there, which means the market is still respecting that downtrend. But at the moment, we see that we reached that lowest low, which I think also the market is going to respect. And I see the market is giving us some bullish signals here, which we're supposed to do. What we're supposed to take, guys. We're supposed to take them. As you can see, the structure is very nice. So we have no choice but to take these trades. If the market is going to go to the lower side, we already have our stop loss around there. But if you bought, make sure that around this area, because the market is still under that bearish, make sure that you get out or lock your profit if maybe the market is going to respect that. But if the market is going to break this area, you know what to do. The market might break and push the low to the highest side, which is something that we want. Easy as that. I hope you understand that. So guys, if maybe you want to join my YouTube, there's a join button around there, down here. There is a button where you can just join on YouTube. It's where you're going to get some very nice analysis, daily analysis. But it's private, obviously. It's like analysis for NASDAQs and all these things that we do here. You're going to get those specials, and you're going to get some videos. There's still more videos that I'm going to do, and which are going to be like for only members on YouTube. It's quite cheap. Just check there. I think it's 79 rands. Maybe in dollars it's like almost $2 to $3, something like that. You just have to communicate with me. We'll help you with whatever that you want me to help you, especially when we talk about Forex. I hope, guys, you enjoy your weekend, your week. And also, going to the weekend is also great. So don't forget to check the link for if you need the funding. If you don't have enough account, with $60, I think $60 you can get almost $2,000 of funding, live trading. And when you trade, when you make money like that, you get all those profits. I think profit share is almost 60%, something like that. So guys, please don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. This is Kenzo, Xtrahot Forex. I hope you're going to have a very nice one.